How are you? In this video I will show you the different types of maintenance that exist in the industry. First of all, there is what predictive maintenance. It is the one that seeks to permanently know and report on the state of operability of the facilities through knowledge of the values of certain variables representative of such state and operability. To apply this maintenance, it is necessary to identify physical variables, temperature, vibrations, energy consumption, etc., whose variation is indicate of problems that may be appearing in the equipment. It is most technological type of maintenance, since it requires advanced technical means and sometimes strong mathematical, physical, or technical knowledge. Um, One example of the predictive maintenance is many industries use predictive maintenance to save costs and improve the quality of their service. For example, electrical networks and wind turbines. Interruption in electricity distribution systems are very costly. Hence, the advance in the installations of intelligent networks that allow knowing the necessary maintenance of the assets and to anticipate breakdowns. The predictive is also applied to wind turbines to the detriment of the corrective in order to avoid their stoppage and the consequent potential loss of production. The next one is predictive maintenance. It is the maintenance whose mission is to maintain a certain level, observing the equipment, programming to intervention of its vulnerable points at the most opportune moment. It usually has a systematic nature, that is, it intervenes even if the team has not shown any symptoms of having problems. Mm, Some examples. The first is lubricate rotating parts to prevent premature wear. Lubricants keep critical machines part moving. For example, a bearing failure could damage a machine and even damage associated machinery, causing production to stop. Regular lubrication is a great example of preventative maintenance to keep machine running. The second example is clean equipment regularly to minimize dirt and dust. Dirt and dust can destroy machinery, especially mechanical systems. It causes friction and premature wear, and contaminants that build up over time damage gadgets, cylinder walls, and other components inside machines. Regular cleaning of these contaminants is another example of preventative maintenance that show how the simple strategy can extend the life of your machines. In following, we can observe the corrective maintenance. It is a set of tasks aimed at correcting the defects that appear in the different equipment and that are communicated to the maintenance department by the users of the same. The example, the first is a production line. A technician is executing a preventive maintenance strategy on a piece of equipment on a production line. Then he noticed significant wear on a station component. Consequently, a corrective maintenance order is issued to repair or replace the part within the course of the week or month. Another example is a heating system. A technician receives an emergency call to repair a heating system in the middle of winter. Checking, he noticed clogged ducts and dirty filters. Consequently, this situation requires a corrective maintenance plan to clean the ducts and respectively the filters. Likewise, they could replace the filters with more durable ones and thus avoid future failures in the heating system. Maintenance overhaul. It is the set of tasks whose objective is to check the equipment at scheduled intervals either before any failure appears or when the reliability of the equipment has decreased appreciably in shock and a way that is risky to make a forecast about its productive capacity. In the revisions, all the elements subject to wear are replaced or repaired. It is intended to ensure with great probability a time of good operation fixed in advance. Examples: cost optimization. Because you don't wait until your company's equipment begins to fail, overhauling helps avoid long-term expense to repairs and parts replacement. In addition, zero-hour maintenance prevents the the business for having to invest in a new machinery, decreasing labor in manual labor. Another way to save maintenance costs is by doing without labor. With predictive overhauling, for example, maintainers can know which components need to be repaired and inspected. This means less maintenance staff doing non-essential tasks. This is all. Thanks for watching.